Hello trainees, today we are going to learn about making the T-table frame to lock 4 legs, top rails and bottom rails. The objectives of this video are: after this session you will be able to gathering equipment needed to make the T-table frame to lock 4 legs, top rails and bottom rails. Making T-table frame to lock 4 legs, top rails and bottom rails. Advantages and application of T-table frame to lock 4 legs, top rails and bottom rails. Let's start. Gathering equipment needed to make T-table frame to lock 4 legs, top rails and bottom rails. Wooden piece of dimension 50 x 50 x 450 mm, 4 numbers. 50 x 25 x 725 rails, 4 numbers. 50 x 25 x 425 rails, 4 numbers. Jack plane, marking knife, glue, bench vise, mallet, measuring tape, firmer chisel, steel scale, tenon saw, smoothing plane, tri-square, Mortise gauge, Mortise chisel. Making the T-table frame to lock 4 legs, top rails and bottom rails. First, let's observe the diagram of the table that we want to create using all the steps given below. Check the wooden pieces for its size with tap rule. Hardwood 50 x 50 x 450 mm, legs 4 numbers. Hardwood 50 x 25 x 725 mm, rails 4 numbers. Hardwood 50 x 25 x 425 mm, rails 4 numbers. Plane all the work pieces to the required width and thickness to square as per drawing. 40 x 40 x 415 mm, legs 4 numbers. 45 x 21 x 690 mm, front and back rails 4 numbers. 45 x 21 x 390 mm, side rails 4 numbers. Check the width and thickness of pieces as per the drawing using folding rule. Mark and make the stopped mortise on the top part of the 4 legs as per the drawing. Also, remove the sections at the bottom as shown in the image. Mark the stopped mortise, follow the following steps. Make the stopped mortise by cutting away all the shaded portions along the marked lines using a chisel, mallet and tenon saw. Mark the stopped tenon on both the ends of top rail pieces as per the drawing. Make the stopped tenon by cutting away all the shaded portions along the marked lines using a chisel, mallet and tenon saw. Assemble the pieces together as shown. Now the table is complete. Advantages and application of making a T-table frame to lock 4 legs, top rails and bottom rails. The addition of top and bottom rails means that the table can support weight and have a more stable structure in case there are some forces acting on it in different directions.